Welcome everybody back to the Radical Marketer YouTube channel, where we talk about how to leverage credit, how to leverage social media, and how to make money online. So if that interests you, smash that like button, punch that subscribe button, because I make videos daily and you don't want to miss it. If this is your first time on the channel, thank you so much for trusting me with your time. I promise not to waste it. This channel is very organic and conversational, where it's all talking data points. So check the description below or the comments so you can learn the data points and answer people's questions and learn in your credit journey to get high access credit funding. So also shout outs to all of the Radical Marketer community that is blowing up the channel. You guys are amazing. If you haven't joined the private Facebook group already, do so. Link is in the description, and my Instagram is in the description at Radical Marketer, spell it with a K. All right, guys, let's get into today's review on the Verizon Credit Card. We got this new iPhone dropping, and we got the holiday season coming, and we got this black metal flashy Verizon card, and a lot of you guys wanted me to do a review on it, so I'm gonna knock out this review with as much data points as I can. Now, if you guys have this card, please comment it below. What do you love about this card? What was your data points? What was your credit score? How has your experience been with the card? Because I would love to hear from all of you that actually have the card. And comment if this is going to be a card that you're wanting to get. Is it going to be on your to-do list as far as cards to get? Guys, this is going to be very unique as far as the card. Now, the underwriter is going to be Synchrony Bank, and you guys know how I feel about Synchrony Bank. I'm a fan of Synchrony Bank. I just don't want you guys to get hooked on Synchrony Bank because they got a bunch of store cards that will do nothing for you. But this is different. This is going to be a Visa card from Verizon, from Synchrony Bank, and the cool thing about this is the card looks freaking sweet, number one. It probably is amazing, number two. I don't have it, but I may get it. We'll see. And there's a soft credit. There's soft pulls for your credit limit increases. So every time you want to do a credit limit increase, you can do every 3 to 6 months and try to get a credit limit increase right over the phone, completely free. It will never hard pull you as of right now. All of the Synchrony cards are the same, and so are Comenity, just so you guys know. Now, you have to have Verizon Wireless to have the card, right? So if I were to go here and I'd go to apply now, you're not with Verizon yet, go shop. You're already with Verizon, get started, okay? So unless you have Verizon Wireless, you can't get this Verizon Wireless card, all right? It's going to be very similar to the Apple card in sense of, and the kind of style and the rewards, okay? So you're going to get 4% back on groceries and store and gas purchases. All of those have gone up this year. Groceries and gas have gone up, so you'll get 4% back on that. 3% back on dining purchases, including takeout. Yes, China Go-Go is qualified for that. 2% on Verizon purchases and 1% on all other purchases. Use this card everywhere Visa credit cards are accepted to earn Verizon dollars. And cardholders can earn more rewards for everyday purchases. No limits and no expiration dates. So there's no limit to the amount of Verizon dollars you can earn. There's no expiration date. They won't expire from you at all. You can trade these dollars in for gift cards and tech. Now, they have a sign-on bonus right now where you're going to get $100 in a statement credit over 24 months when you sign up. So that's going to be like, what, $4.25 a statement, or $4.50, whatever, $4 to $5 on every bill as a statement credit. Now, you're also going to be able to get the auto pay discount as well. If you do the auto pay. Now, let's talk about this. Who's eligible to get the Verizon card? You must be a Verizon customer, okay? What else we got here? It talks about the dollars you can earn, but let me just look at my notes here and see what we got. We talked about Synchrony. I like this because it's going to have no annual fee, and there's also no foreign transaction fee. The credit score that you're going to need to have is a 680 or above, preferably a 700 or above on Experian. Now, Synchrony is not too inquiry sensitive and not too account sensitive, but don't go crazy with it. But I would say that between a 700 and a 720 is what you want to be at to get the card, because they do really only accept good to excellent credit on this end of things. What I also like about the card is it's going to have a high reward rate. You're also going to have bonus categories that I like a lot. But for a no annual fee card, you're getting a ton of value with this card. I mean, there's just if you're a Verizon customer, I would recommend you get the card for a couple of reasons. You're going to get more bang for your buck with your bill, right? You're going to get that statement credit for the first 2 years. You can combine that with the auto pay. You can earn a lot of Verizon dollars and get a lot of kickback. That will be a big benefit to you because you'll be able to also get credit limit increases with no hard pulls and build your credit profile. So if you are trying to gain higher access to credit funding, I would recommend it because Synchrony is definitely under a lender that has definitely helped me get high limits on my credit report. I used a lot of store cards, but the fact that this is a Visa, it can work anywhere in the world. It's a good card. Now, I would love to know what you guys think about this card. Please comment in the description below and let us know what you guys think. Now, if I also want to do one other thing too. If you guys are trying to, this is completely separate than Verizon. We're done with the Verizon video, but this is a shameless plug. If you guys are wanting to learn more about credit, how to grow your credit, business funding, things like that, join our private Facebook group in the link below. I'm also not doing one-on-one consultations until the beginning of next year. So join me on Instagram as well. Send me some questions that you have. I'll be answering them, doing reviews on this channel. But it's just also a way that you can ask me your direct question, and I try to get to your questions when I can. I'm going to be focusing a lot more on the Instagram. So definitely make sure that you add me on Instagram at Radikal Marketer, okay? And then also check out all of the playlists. I've been putting together hundreds of videos on how to repair your credit, to getting business funding, to credit card reviews, credit union reviews. You have a question on credit, this is your chance. This is your opportunity to get free answers from the community, and I'll make a video if there's enough demand for it and really put a lot of research and time into it. So definitely take advantage of this community. It's for you. Everything is free. When you join the private Facebook group, there's just a couple questions you got to answer, making sure you're not going to spam, making sure that you're going to go by the procedures, and that's it. But it's an amazing way to do that. I'm also going to be doing live trainings and things in the Facebook group pretty soon. We're getting a lot of stuff together. I got my insurance agent that's going to teach a lot about infinite banking, velocity banking, and whole life insurance, and how to really leverage that asset. It's real estate and life insurance that are the two big boys. Stocks are cool, but the stock market's dropping, and it's going to be able to, you're actually going to be able to get some good deals coming up soon. Unfortunately, it's at somebody's expense. That's how capitalism works. But I like to call myself a conscious capitalist and look out for other people. So this is my way of giving back, and definitely like, comment, subscribe. Tell me how you guys like the Verizon card. I like it. Soft pulls are credit limit increases are soft pulls. Synchrony Bank is good. Verizon's good. The card's good. Looks sweet. Let's do it. Like, comment, subscribe, and I'll catch you guys on the next video. Peace.